child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world.
Good morning to you all. I'm Shivadarshan, studying in 9th B, and today is July 12th, Malala Yousafzai Day, the birthday of Malala Yousafzai. As a young girl, Malala Yousafzai defied the Taliban in Pakistan and demanded that girls should be allowed to receive an education. She was shot in the head by a Taliban gunman in 2012, but fortunately she survived. In 2014, she became the youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize. She should and has been an inspiration to young kids and teenagers all around the world. Billions and billions of people see her as their role model. She has also made famous quotes throughout her journey, like, "We realize the importance of our voices when we are silenced. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. When the whole world is silent, even one voice becomes powerful. Education is education." These are some of the more popular quotes said by Malala Yousafzai. I'm wishing you all a happy Malala Yousafzai Day, and I'm going to conclude my words. Thank you.
ഏവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് ജൂലൈ 12 മലാല ദിനം. കൊല്ലുവാനലറി വന്ന താലിബാൻ തീവ്രവാദികളെയും ശരീരത്തിൽ തുളച്ചിറങ്ങിയ വെടിയുണ്ടകളെയും ലോകത്തു നിന്നും എന്നേക്കുമായി മായ്ച്ചു കളയാൻ ശ്രമിച്ച മരണത്തെയും അതിജീവിച്ച സ്ത്രീ ശക്തിയുടെ പര്യായമായി മാറിയ മലാല യൂസഫ്സായിയുടെ ജന്മദിനം. പെൺകുട്ടികളുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിനു വേണ്ടി പോരാടിയ വിപ്ലവ നായിക, മരണത്തോട് മല്ലടിച്ച് തൻ്റെ 2ാം ജന്മത്തിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശിച്ച ധീരനായിക, അങ്ങനെ പലതുണ്ട് മലാലയെ വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കാൻ. 1997 ജൂലൈ 12 പാകിസ്ഥാനിലായിരുന്നു മലാലയുടെ ജനനം. പെൺകുട്ടികൾ സ്കൂളിൽ പോകുന്നത് നിഷേധിച്ച പാക് താലിബാന്റെ നയത്തിനെതിരെ ബ്ലോഗുകളിലൂടെ പ്രതികരിച്ചായിരുന്നു മലാല തൻ്റെ പോരാട്ടത്തിന് തുടക്കം കുറിക്കുന്നത്. താൻ ജനിച്ച മണ്ണിൽ തന്നെ പോലെയുള്ള പെൺകുട്ടികൾക്ക് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം നഷ്ടമാകുന്നത് കണ്ടു നിൽക്കാനോ സഹിക്കാനോ അവൾക്കായില്ല. അതിനെതിരെ രൂക്ഷമായി തന്നെ പ്രതികരിച്ചു. ഡോക്ടറാവാൻ ആഗ്രഹിച്ച മലാല പിന്നീട് തനിക്കൊരു രാഷ്ട്രീയ പ്രവർത്തകയായി പ്രവർത്തിക്കാനാണ് താല്പര്യമെന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. 2012 സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്നും പരീക്ഷ കഴിഞ്ഞ് മടങ്ങവേ ഒരു കൂട്ടം മുഖമൂടിധാരികളായ ആളുകൾ അവൾക്കു നേരെ വെടിയുതിർത്തു. അതിലൊരു വെടിയുണ്ട അവളുടെ തല വഴി തുളച്ചു കയറി. പിന്നീട് മരണത്തോട് മല്ലടിച്ചു ദിവസങ്ങളോളം. ഡോക്ടർമാരുടെ തീവ്ര പരിശ്രമത്തിനൊടുവിൽ അവൾ വീണ്ടും പൂർണ്ണ ആരോഗ്യവതിയായി. ഈ ആക്രമണം അവളുടെ ഉള്ളിലെ ആഗ്രഹത്തെ തെല്ലും കുറച്ചില്ല. അവളുടെ ഉള്ളിലെ ശക്തിയും ധൈര്യവും ബലവുമെല്ലാം വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കാനുണ്ടായത്. 2014 സമാധാനത്തിനുള്ള നോബൽ സമ്മാനം മലാലയെ തേടിയെത്തി. 2013 ജൂലൈ മുതൽ ഐക്യരാഷ്ട്രസഭ മലാലയുടെ ജന്മദിനം മലാല ദിനമായി ആചരിക്കുന്നു. മലാല ദിനം എൻ്റെ ദിനമല്ല, മറിച്ച് അവരവരുടെ അവകാശങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ശബ്ദമുയർത്തുന്ന ഓരോ വ്യക്തിയുടെയും ദിനമാണ് എന്ന് മലാല നമ്മെ ഓരോരുത്തരെയും ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Good morning to all. I am Navneet Sundar from 9th B. As we all know, today is World Malala Day. Malala Day is the birthday of Malala Yousafzai, a social activist and youngest Nobel Prize winner. It is commemorated on July 12 to honor the women and children's rights all around the world. Malala Yousafzai was born on 12th July 1997 in Pakistan. She is the daughter of Ziauddin Yousafzai and Torpekai Yousafzai. She was mostly educated by her father Ziauddin Yousafzai. Inspired by the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and twice elected Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto, she started speaking for the education rights. As she became more recognized, dangers facing her also increased. On 9th October 2012, she was shot but survived. Protests were held and over 2 million people signed Right to Education campaign petition, which led to the ratification of first Right to Education bill in Pakistan. On 12th July 2013, Malala's 16th birthday, she spoke at UN for worldwide access to education. The UN dubbed this event as Malala Day. On 10th October 2014, Malala was announced as the co-recipient of 2014 Nobel Peace Prize for her struggle against suppression of children and young people and for right of all children to education. She has received many national and international awards and honors. Before concluding my speech, I am sharing a Malala's quote with you. Malala Day is not my day. Today is the day of every woman, every boy and every girl who raised their voice for their rights. Thank you.
Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. But things did not remain the same. Women were flogged. People were killed. There were beautiful dreams turned into nightmares. Education went from being a right to being a crime. When my world suddenly changed, my priorities changed too. I had two options. One was to remain silent and wait to be killed. And the second was to speak up and then be killed. I chose the second one. The terrorists tried to stop us. But neither their ideas nor their bullets could win. We survived. And since that day, our voices have grown louder and louder and wasted potentials. Let this be the last time that a girl or a boy spends their childhood in a factory. Let this be the last time that a girl is forced into early child marriage. Let this be the last time that a child loses life in war. Let this be the last time that we see a child out of school. Let this end with us. Let's begin this ending together, today, right here, right now.
The UN has designated July 12, which is Yousafzai's birthday, Malala Day, in honor of the young woman who has been a prominent activist for female education since her early teens. As a young girl, Malala Yousafzai was not allowed to go to school, but she refused to stay home and spoke out for education. To this day, Malala continues to work to ensure that every girl around the world has a chance to go to school. After Malala delivered an impassioned speech at the United Nations headquarters on the need for gender equality in education on July 12, 2013, the day has been declared as the World Malala Day by the UN. Moreover, July 12 is also her birthday. Within a short span of time, the young woman has not only won many awards, including the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014, But over the years, Malala has become a strong voice for women empowerment across the world.
Hi friends, today I'm going to tell about Malala Yousafzai's quote that inspired me a lot. We realize the importance of our voice only when we are silent. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the whole world. When the whole world is silent, even one voice became powerful. Malala Yousafzai.
Hi, today I am going to say a quote of Malala Yousafzai that is, I truly believe the only way we can create global peace through not only educating our minds but our hearts and souls.
Life is not just about taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide.
We realize the importance of our voice only when we are silent.
One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world.
With gun you can kill terrorists. With education you can kill terrorists.
I thought that words and books and pens were more powerful than guns. Malala Yousafzai.
Let us pick up our books and our pens. They are the most powerful weapons.